Odan CTC TV. They make a bad one for this. Odan for na jatum. They party. What I say? What jatum? They party. Party jatum. Odan for Timothy. Monty Tum City TV. City TV. COMOAK. City TV. Work. I want a bless mission. Blaster bless no. Ghana local bless no. All the beer. City TV. Work. City na. Go.
The house rules. Yes, in every country we have rules that governs a particular occasion. So with this NASFA Eastern Region Guinness and Awards night, we have rules we have to follow. I will follow and you also follow. So first, please,
NASFA. When I say NASFA, then you respond ready to say. NASFA. 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 NSA Regional Director, the National President of NASFA, members of the National Executive Committee, our guests of honor, members of the Regional Executive Committee, distinguished invited guests, sponsors, and partners, our award nominees, NASFA members, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. On behalf of the NASFA Eastern Region, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the NASFA 2026 Eastern Regional Awards and Dinner Night. Tonight is a special occasion, an evening set aside to celebrate excellence, dedication, selfless service, and the remarkable contribution of our service personnel and partners across the region. Let me begin by thanking each of you for being here tonight. Seeing you all looking so radiant, beginning on the red carpet, have truly lit up the venue. Tonight, we are here for two profound reasons. Firstly, to honor our excellence. We gather to recognize and celebrate our colleagues whose dedication, innovation, and unwavering commitment have created inspiring stories of achievements over a year now. These awards are more than just plaques, certificates. They are our way of saying, we see your hard work, we We value your contribution. You inspire us all. To all our nominees and awardees, we salute you. Beyond the formalities of our work, we are family. This dinner is an opportunity to connect, to share stories, to laugh together, and to build togetherness that forms the backbone of our great association, NASFA. Let us enjoy this fellowship. To organizing committee, leading by my Vice President, Paul Befi Pauna. You have worked tirelessly behind this.
So far, it's not easy.
Yes.
It's yes, so it's not easy, you know. The moment I heard NASFA giving, I was not like, no, we have to toast for greatness. Yes. We have to toast for greatness and also prepare ahead out of the service. So without wasting my time, I'm going to do a short exercise. So we're going to play the song. Please, Rachel, bring up disposable bags. We need to celebrate. We want to celebrate. So we pop the champagne in the name of the Father, the Son. So we are toasting to greatness. We are toasting to more job opportunities. Yes. We are toasting for money. For great clothes. Alright, so 1 down, 2 down. 3 down, and the last one, and the last one.
Thank you so much, DG. A brief speech so that we can get on to the business of the night. And I'm privileged to be joined here at the podium by men of substance. NASFA is concerned. And I'd like you all to join me to put up a rousing round of applause for, I call it HE and the the former outgoing National NASFA president. He brought a lot of glory and shine to our region, being the regional NASFA president, going on to win at the national level. I would also like us to give up a rousing round of applause for Mr. Wahab, the current national NASFA president, and the biggest of all, to your own regional president, Mr. Mekufi. Yes. I thank you all this evening. As I said, it's always a pleasure for colleagues, friends, and members of this great association to meet and interact among ourselves. It's been a very, it's been a 1 year full of ups and downs. There's been some very high moments for some of you, I'm sure, and for others too. Some days have not been very good, especially with the issue of the allowances being delayed sometimes and all that. We know that it's not easy serving your nation through some of those very difficult moments. And I'd like to join you or ask to put up a rousing round of applause for you all for having endured this mandatory 1 year.
Jesus, you love. Too much to waste this life. I am very happy that our director said we are here to socialize as well and my teacher helper. So once we are going to be meeting alone, make sure to talk to 2 or 3 people. Make sure to socialize. DJ, give me some instrumental. Here we go. As you never plays the whatever is there. Or that's it. Let's give it up to her. Congratulations to you. Outstanding female feature of the year. The NASPA Guinean Awards Night 2026. Olivia Abigail. Of the year, first runner-up, hard-working NSP of the year goes to John. How do you play LSU? John,
let's appreciate hard-working NSP of the year, runner-up. Let's appreciate you. Ladies and gentlemen, let us appreciate our very own president, former president. Let's appreciate it. We can do better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, we can do better than that. We can do better than that.
Show your guidance and also open your leadership style. NASPA executives and members have been empowered to serve with discipline, purpose, and also confidence. Your consistent encouragement, administrative support, and mentorship have strengthened the relationship between the National Service Authority and NASPA, fostering unity, accountability, and effective service delivery across the Eastern region. NASPA executive therefore honor you for your dedication, exemplary service, and invaluable contribution to the group and the success of the association and the National Service Authority at large. And this honor goes to Mr. Nathaniel Tete, the Eastern Regional Director of National Service Authority. We're standing ovation. I want to all of us to
Let's appreciate our very own regional director, the president of Mr. Nathaniel Tete. Let's appreciate
the former national president.
Let's appreciate
And the winner is Dinah Paul. So she's going in with a plaque, a citation, a certificate, and also a hamper. A hamper. Yes, she's the woman at the moment. The woman came with our best winner for the NASFA Eastern Region Awards in 2026.